Alright guys, this is Albert with niftyfarm.com, and I wanted to show you how to move your Matic from the Ethereum blockchain onto the Matic mainnet. So I've been a believer in Matic for a very long time, so I've been holding Matic for a long time, and so I just have some that have been sitting there for a while. So one of the things I want to go into is how to set up a custom RPC network, and if that sounds nerdy, it's because it is. And hopefully the developers figure out a better, more elegant solution that I've seen other brands do, where you just, it automatically adds the network. But for right now, this is the way we have to add the Matic/Polygon network. Matic is the name of the token. It's now branded as Polygon, but Matic is the same thing. Okay, so these things are important. If you want to look at the screen, I'm going to also copy it into the description of the website or of the video. So I'm at docs.matic.network, and you can just search, how to set up Metamask with the network. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you're going to open up your Metamask, and you're going to go ahead and click this button here where it says Ethereum mainnet, and you're going to go down to custom RPC. Okay, and here you're going to copy everything you see here. So you're going to copy Matic mainnet. You're going to take this link here. See, it didn't save it for me. So I'm actually going to have to pull this off of, well, I think I can copy everything besides the Explorer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this page to another screen so I can keep this focused on what I need to do here, because the problem becomes if I get out of the MetaMask, it closes back off the settings. So I need to be able to look at it on a different screen. So we're going to go back here, Ethereum mainnet, go to custom RPC. I got the network. It's the Matic mainnet. The new RPC URL, copy, paste. I copied and pasted it from here. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is Matic, and it's capitalized there, so I'm going to go ahead and capitalize it here just because. Okay, and then the it's not going to let me copy that, so I'm going to have to actually manually type that in. You see, these are the types of things that developers don't think about. Somebody's going to have to sit here and type this out, but there are security concerns around putting the wrong information in. So I believe that's why they made it an image instead of, if you click add network, it's going to add another network. So it's already added. So you see now it's in my list of main nets. Well, they're not all main nets. These are test nets. But you see the Matic network is here. It's set up now. Now you're able to operate on the Matic/Polygon mainnet. So I hope you found this valuable. If you need any help or you have any questions, be sure to drop into our Discord, leave a comment in one of the help channels, or just ask a question somewhere and we can direct you there. Go to wallet.matic.network. Okay. You're going to be greeted with this. If you've never signed in, you're going to be greeted with this. You're going to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet where you have your Matic. If you haven't transferred it from somewhere like Coinbase, then you would need to transfer it to your MetaMask in order to do the bridge. But if you already have it in your MetaMask wallet, you're just going to sign in. Okay, and it's going to open up the wallet. It's going to show you what you already have on the chain and whatnot. But what you want to do is click Move Funds to Matic Mainnet. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm at wallet.matic.network/bridge. And right now it's showing the bridge version 2. This may be a little confusing, so I want to walk you through what this is. You're moving the ERC20 token, which is Matic, also now called Polygon. Okay, the old name and the token name is still Matic. However, you're moving your Matic from the Ethereum blockchain and moving it onto the side chain that is the Polygon Matic blockchain. Okay, so how do you do that? You're going to click this button here, You're going to pick your Matic token. It shows you how many Matic are there. And I'm just going to move over, let's say 200 Matic. Let's just move $100 over 300 Matic. Okay, so I'm just going to move 300 Matic over to the Matic network. Okay, and so you see the direction. You can click this button to switch. So move from this one to that one, but I don't want to do that. I want to go from Ethereum Matic. I need to re-put the number in here again, to the Matic network, to the main net. Okay, this is going to allow you to use platforms like Nifty.io to make your own collections and that kind of stuff. Okay, so we're going to click transfer. Okay, what's supported? Moving funds from Ethereum to Matic. Deposit of funds takes 7 to 8 minutes. It does take a little while, so let's just go through the process. You're going to click continue. Okay, to complete the deposit, it tells me an estimated, it's going to cost me about $12 to do this transfer. Okay, so that's the problem with the Ethereum network, is you're still on chain, so you're going to have to spend some Ethereum to make this transaction happen. But once you move everything, once you move some Matic over to the mainnet of the Matic mainnet, then gas fees are like 0.000 of a Matic, so it's very cost effective. But there is that initial cost to get this started, and so you can see I have the plugin here. Ethereum gas prices, they're really low right now, so this is a perfect time to do this transfer. Otherwise, it would cost like $30 to do this transfer or something like that. So we're going to click continue. We're going to confirm. Then you have to sign the transaction here. It says, hey, you're going to pay $13 in as a gas fee. Confirm. And now the transaction's in process. So now all we have to do is wait. It's going to go through the steps. It will take a little while to confirm. So we're just going to have to wait, and I'll restart the video once it's confirmed and moved through. You can see here it says 1 transaction in progress. So that's showing up. You don't need to leave anything. Don't touch, don't leave the website or anything. Just stay here and just wait for it to finish. So I want to show you an issue that you may come up with, right? So the transaction took too long for some reason. And so I got this error. Transaction was not mined within 750 seconds. Please make SU. It's going to say make sure. You might want to, you might not know what to do here. And so what I would do is go open your Metamask, click on your Metamask, go ahead and scroll down, click on activity. And this is the last thing that happened, right? So you can see what's going on here. It kind of tells you what I had to do was to change to speed up the transaction. So whenever you go back here, it's not going to show it now, but what you could do is when you click on this, it'll say speed up the transaction, and you can choose a higher priced gas fee. So that way it'll go through faster. And so what I could do is now I could click here, right? And now it's going to take me to the Etherscan, and I can see what's going on. It was dropped and replaced. Okay, that means that the transaction was dropped and then it was replaced with another one. And so I'd click here if you want to know more about what that means. It basically means as if the transaction never happened. But now you're kind of stuck in this limbo, trying to figure out, well, what's going on with my money? What's going on with the transfer? So this is a good time to actually teach you how to read this, okay? So when you go down here to activity, you click on here, you're going to see all these different things, right? So gas limit, gas used, gas price in GWEI, GWEI, which again, if you don't know what that means, that simply means that is the smallest fraction of Ethereum. So like the penny is the smallest fraction of $1. GWEI is the smallest fraction of Ethereum, and there's 18 digits in Ethereum, so that's a very, very small number. Okay, so if you remember from earlier in the video, when I submitted this transaction, it was about $13. And so what I did was I sped it up because gas prices have fluctuated to try to get this transaction to go faster. And so you could see an activity history of when things happened, right? So it was submitted with this gas fee, the transaction was resubmitted with the gas fee increase, and then it confirmed at 354, right? So you can see the new one, it's showing success, okay? So if we go back here, what happens here sometimes is that this doesn't get updated right away. This actually takes longer than what you will actually be able to see in your wallet. See, the money has already been transferred here. but it's not reflecting. It's not reflecting here yet. So don't panic, don't freak out. Just do what I just did. Go back here, change your network from, I'm on the Ethereum network. I'm going to go ahead and check the last transaction and look at this history log. It shows you that the transaction was confirmed. So you don't need this to tell you anything. But I can see how users can get stuck at this step thinking, oh, wait, where did my money go? I don't know what's going on. You just got to make sure you change over to the Matic network. Okay, so that's how you do that. The money has been successfully transferred to the Matic mainnet. Okay.